Owenfield Creek is very accessible. They can cycle or walk here.
When you're out in a canoe, you are using indigenous technology that is thousands of years old.
Today we're going to be fly fishing just outside of Algonquin Park.
I welcome you to Peacher Island, and we're going to catch pike.
We're in my hometown of Arnprior, Ontario, fishing for catfish.
Okay, just hear me out. Okay. What if we got rid of the cum cups, the crippling debt, the hormones, and we replaced them with fun?
Fun like dicks?
Yeah, dicks can be fun. Wait, can I say that?
Yeah, I can say that. Say it again.
Dicks.
To follow him. I'm the one I say, okay, I'm gonna follow you. He never put a bag in my hands. I just saw him and I say, I wanna do what my dad do.
Would it be Tavares?
It's Johnny.
Tavares? This is just a JT trivia night?
Since your rookie season, only OV and Stamkos have scored more goals than you. To have that level of consistency and to be alongside those players, how do you even explain that?
Yeah, it's hard to explain.
In front, Tavares!
The strings and then it makes this cool pattern.
That yes to credit from Capital One was everything. As a single mom, I was left by myself, so I had nothing. Getting that yes gave me a sense of peace and security.
Hi, I'm Melanie Scrifano, and normally I'm an actor, but today I'm answering questions via playing card. It's a gamble. What would the title of the audiobook about your life be called? Who would voice you? The title of my audiobook would be called Half Finished.
All of them around me. My older sister, she got sick. I wasn't able to go back.
I said, this looks like a campaign. This looks like an organized political campaign.
It is an information war.
This is a very difficult time to try to control the truth.
Okay, the recipe says to put a rack into the center of the oven. That's how the oven comes. So I'm just gonna check that it's in the middle, which it is. Then we're gonna turn it on to 325 Fahrenheit, just to clarify. Okay, next we're gonna put 3 cups of heavy cream into a heavy saucepan.
At family-owned Shipton's Heating and Cooling, we've been keeping families cool for 4 generations, like we're one big family.
It's a scorcher.
Popsicles?
That was easy. Let's up the stakes. Is this round 2? Gosh, this is getting harder. I thought I had this in the bag, but this is kind of crazy. Round 3, super speed.
Smoking weed, drinking, was using a lot, and I ended up in hospital. So I started going to meetings at Jack's. Finally, I found some people that weren't going to give up on me. And just bit by bit, that dark cloud that was above me dissipated.
This party started with some drinks.
It's just like Hooters, right? But with like guys.
Excuse me? Penis poppers, come on!
Beautiful slabs of man beef. It's been the party of the year since my daddy threw the first one 3 decades ago.
Bulges isn't really my scene.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
These ladies in there need to stay warmed up.
Nail me, Trent.
Nail me, Trent!
I love how we can see the outline of their penises through their shorts.
Where's the burnt thing?
Here, order. Party of 5.
When do we have to be out by?
February 7th.
Look, he needed some help.
Everybody needs help. We're in New York. We need help.
Don't come to the tournament.
You know, it's like what happened today happened without a referee or someone to stop the fight.